So we have different operators, arithmetical operators, logical operators. Okay. So if we are saying equal, greater than or equal, less than or equal, these are the operators. Those are the just arithmetical operators. So generally those are the equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal are the arithmetical operators. So a few of the examples already we saw, right? Equal, greater than or less than in conditions we use it, right? Yes. So yeah, now we will see the logical operators. Few examples I gave, but one more time we can discuss. Okay. Same way we have a or, in, and, like, between. These are the logical operators. So we can check, we can see how we can use those operators. Okay. For example, from MP, you created, right?
నేను అవేం వాడలేదు, నార్మల్ గా చేసేసి ఇక ఇంటికి కొట్టేసింది.
ఏదా ఫైల్
ఇందులో బయట ఇచ్చారు కదా లింక్, ఫైల్లో నేను సేవ్ చేసుకుంటాను.
you didn't create the tables.
నేను అవే నార్మల్ గా క్రియేట్ చేశాను ఇంట్లో కానీ. ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది ఇందులో కాదు, ఇది ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఇందులో ఉంటుంది మనకి.
ఇందులో నోట్ ప్యాడ్
నోట్ ప్యాడ్ కదా ఇది,
వర్డ్ లో యూజ్ చేసింది.
వర్డ్ లో కదా,
వర్డ్ క్రియేట్ చేసింది.
ఆన్లైన్ లో కూడా ఉంది ఆప్షన్, అది ఇంటికి కొట్టలేదు, స్లీప్ లో పెట్టి వచ్చాను. వరాకిల్
So create table, deep table. Okay.
డిఫాల్ట్ మెంబర్స్.
Department table we created. Same way, we will create employee table also. Okay, as of now, just created, we give an insert statements. Attempt to delete table. So how many we created? Four insert statements. Means four records we created. Now select star from repeating. So department number 10, 20, 30, 40, it is created. Okay. Next, select star from here. Why we are giving set line as 200. Before set line as 200, what a zigzag, something. Some data is going down, right? You can see. Now if you are giving, that's why we are line set size, we are giving like 200. Each line 200 bytes, it should uh, accept. So here if you are seeing, this is the employee table. Okay, employee table having employee number, e-name, job, NGR, headed, salary, commission, details. What I will do now, I will create another table with the same structure, same data. Okay, that is called EMP1. As a select MP. What is the error here? Chapana? Invalid create command, it's saying. What is missing here? Create table name as a selector, I'm saying. Okay, but something is missing here. What is that? Hmm? What is missing here after create? That object name we have to give. Okay. Create table emp1 as a selection object. Now select star from emp1 and emp there is no difference. Okay. This is emp data. Earlier we gave the emp1 data. So if you are seeing both the data are same. Same way. Okay, same way I'm creating another table, department table, same structure and the same data. Okay. Now table also created. One. Okay, it's got created. So same data it's having. Now, anytime if you want main tables don't touch. EMP and DEP tables you don't touch. Anything if you want to apply, either create one more table like this, employee 2, employee 3, employee 4. On top of that, you can perform your actions, any statements. Same way, DEP if you want, DEP 1 is there, like DEP 2, 3, you can create and you can apply. Yeah. Now, I'm writing for the select star from EMP. Okay. Where, okay, what I want, where salary greater than 2000. Okay. If it is greater than 2000, I want to display those records. Okay. Rather than 2000, we have a 6 records. So here we are using a greater than. This is a arithmetical operator. Okay. Same way, means arithmetical operators we are using only for the name itself. It is there. Arithmetical operators means anything we are performing on the numbers, any calculated values or aggregated values. There we will perform we can use the logical operator. Here, arithmetical operators. So here, greater than is the one of the arithmetical operator. So we are using that one. Same way, less than 2000. Okay. Less than 2000 also we are able to use. Okay. So less than 2000, if we are giving, how many records are coming? 8. Total, if you are seeing here, how many records are there in the employee table? 14. Total 14 records are there. So greater than 2000, it's like 6 records is coming. If less than 2000, 8 records are coming. So greater than and less than we use the same way. Use equal operator. Okay, equal operator. We can use strings as well as numbers also. Okay. All date functions also we can use it. Okay. DPT number equal to D. So what we are able to display here, only department numbers, department number 20, which are the employees having those employees details, we are able to showing here, right, by using this query. Swata, understand? So for that one, we will use the equal condition. Okay. Same way, what I want, nation is another column. What I want, commission equal to greater than or equal to 300. Greater than or equal to 300. Then those records I have to how to greater than 300. We have only greater than or equal to 300. Means greater than or equal another arithmetical operator. So we are using this one. By using that one commission, how many records are there? Only 3 records. Suppose if I'm using less than, how many records are showing? Less than or equal to only 2 records. What about other records? Where it gone? Where it gone means commission remaining of values, it is a null. So in that case, what we will use? NVL commission. This is another function. If anywhere null value is there, we will keep a 0. Means that is less than only now. So now we got our reports. All the records we got it. Okay. These are the logical operators. Okay. Greater than, less than, equal, greater than or equal, less than or equal. Okay. Next, what we will do? Okay, logical operators are done. Now we will use this. Arithmetical operators are done. Now we will use the logical operators. What I want to display here. So department number 20 or department number 30. Okay, R is one of the logical operator. So R, if we are saying what it will do, we'll check. What is here showing? Why? Because 20 or 30 department numbers we gave. So it can display both the departments, 20 as well as 30. Suppose if I'm using here, and is another operator. And is another compare operator, and. So I'm using and. So department number 20 and department number 30. And means both should have to satisfy. Is there anything? No. Because it's not possible. Same department number. Okay, same department number, it cannot have a 20 and 30. So in this case, what we have to use? Another column, change the column. Department number 20 and summation Department number 30 and commission equal to. Okay, now we got what is the record? It is able to display department number 20 and okay, commission having a 300 rupees. Okay, so that record it will come. How many records are with 300? Only one record. What that record? What is the department number? It is having 30. If anyway, we can write department number 20 or employee number or employee number greater than or equal to 7499. Okay, here now we change. Earlier we took only same department. Column is department number, but different department. Now what we are adding, two different columns we took. Department number 20 is satisfying, display those records. Okay. Employee number greater than 7499 also display it. So now if we are saying 7499, okay, greater than or equal to we gave, right? 7499.
Department 20 का 37 पे लगे हुए
That's okay. Whatever the department, N I am not giving. R. Okay. Means all records by it is giving 20, 30, 10, all it will come. Or employee number greater than 7499. Department number all 20. That's why one record not coming. Because this record 7499 not matching. 7499 also not coming. Why? Because it's equal to 7499, not a greater than. So that one is not coming. And department number 20 also coming, as well as 7499 greater than 7. Remaining all records are greater than 7499. Instead of this one, so I'm giving 7,599. Okay, now check it. Only 12 is coming. Means two records. It's not satisfying. Okay. R. Now R and you are clear, right? N and R we can use with multiple columns as well as a single column with a different condition, or multiple columns with the different conditions. Okay. Those, we are clear about R and N, right? N means both the conditions should satisfy. R means either one is satisfying, it will display the records. Okay. You are clear, right? Now, and R. Now between. Okay. Between how we can use it? Between, we cannot apply for two columns. It should be one column, but different values. Okay, one column, but different values. Salary between, okay, salary between 1,000, 2,000. Salary between 1,000 and 2,000. How many records are having?
12.
12 records.
1,000 and 20,000.
Oh, I gave 20,000. 2,000 if I'm giving only 6 records are coming. Yeah. If you are giving 20,000, all means X 12 records are coming. If I am giving 2,000, 6 rows. So 6 records are coming. So again, between 2,000 and 5,000. How many? 6 records are coming. So check the values also. 5,000, it is between the 2,850, 3,000. Remaining 3,000, all are in between the 2,000 and 5,000. So now, display 0 and 1,000. 0 and 1,000, how many records are there? 800, 950. So here we are able to see between is the operator, condition 1 and condition 2. Okay, expression 1 or expression 2, we can give it. Means between, if you want to give, then range we have to specify. Means minimum value, what is the maximum value. Between that boundary, it will display values. Okay, that is the between. Now you are clear about between, right? We have any doubt? So that is the thing. Between, we will use to get data from the one particular value to another particular value. So means lower bound and upper bound, we will give it. In between, what are the values are there, we will retrieve by using the between. Okay, between we cannot use in the string functions, sorry, string columns, but we can use on the date and the number columns. Date and number columns, we can use it to between. Same way, yeah. Another operator called in. In also, it is working like a, see, for example, it will work. Either one, like a R, how it will work, in also working same way. But in is the compared to R, we can use the in. Okay, where E name, okay, in operator we can use for all objects, all data types. We can use in where E name, in, okay, in king. Here list of values we give. That's it. King 4. Means either one is satisfying, it will give the errors. Means both it will give. By for this invalid value, it is a string function. We have to define in the single quote. So both the values came. King and 4 it came. See here, king and 4. Both records it came. Same way, we can use the numbers also. We can use the numbers also. PPT number in. So while using in, no need to specify single quotes. 10, 20 means so here see now what is the odd depict numbers we give 10, 20. Two department numbers only we will fetch it. If you are fetching 10, is there any other values 30, 40, 50? No, right? In the depict number. Only 10s are there. 10s we are getting 3 records and 20s we are getting 5 records. What? 3 plus 5 equal 8 rows. Okay. Same way, we can use string function also. Give an example, right? String ename in I gave. Okay. Same way, we can use department. Any column we can use, but only single column we have to use. Okay. A job in you have to display the records which are jobs having a clerk and analyst. Clerk and analyst. So here clerk and analysts are coming. Okay. Let's see, based on job, analysts can clerk searching. Other than that, any other jobs are coming. No. So in that case, we have to give, that's why this job in clerk and analyst means in condition we have to give actually value. What is the value is there, that column, that data we have to give actual data. Okay. But we can apply in the column only. This column in what are the data values are there, we can specify here. So those values it will get it. Okay. Same way in we kept right. We can see not in us. Means except these two things, we have to display remaining all. So here if you are checking, do we have analyst and clerk here? Other than that, all records are we are able to see. Right? Manager, president, salesman. So what is the condition we gave? Other than clerk and analyst, we have to display the records. It is satisfied, right? Same way, here, what is the satisfied condition? In clerk and analyst, it is satisfying. So those records only we are getting. Here, which is not satisfied, that record is coming, means not in. Same way, between we gave, right? Not in, between. Okay, you can give not between. Not between. So you can get 0 and 1000, except those two records, remaining all you can get it. Suppose if I am giving 3000, not between 0 and 3000. Okay, all see, this is a reverse. It is. See, if you are saying not between 0 and 1000, we are getting 12 records. So if we are seeing 0 and 3000, then only 5000 records. Remaining all are less than 3000, between 0 and 3000. Same way we can specify here between 1000, 3000 also. Between 1000 and 3000, how many records are there? Not between. Here what we give, not between 1,000 and 30,000. Then what it is giving? 5,000 is not between 1,000 and 3,000, and 800 and 950 also not in the, not between the 1,000 and 3,000. This is the, another one is a ename like, means which is the option we are seeing here. We can specify like means if ename start with K, ename start with K, we have to display. Means here start with K, we have only one record, that is called a symbol. Same way, not like a K. Not like a K means other than K, what are the values are there? All records we have to display. See, like we got only one record, not like all 13 records we got it. Right? Same way, we can give like you can specify any value yeah, any value like it. Which are ending with the R. Which are ending with the R. Means percentage means all. Okay, here all characters. Last character is a N. Okay. Now we will see which are the names which are the employees satisfying this. See, Allen and Martin having a last character as a N. So we are able to display. If you want, check K, it is not N, right? Here K, E, K, S, T, D, H, E. These are not N's. Allen, it's having a N and end with the N. So Allen it is the same way. What Martin? Yeah, again Martin, it's having the ending with N. So it is also getting. So remaining all are not having a ending with the N. So now if we are giving a not like and remaining 12 should has to display. All 12 records are displaying. Like, not like, between, not between, in, not in. Okay. The only thing is in is we will use for instead of R. Instead of R, we can write a in function. Okay. But in function, if you are using those values, has to give from the same column. Okay, R we can use the different columns, but in function we will give same columns. Lucy, నీకు గొప్ప పద లోపలికి. మళ్ళీ but the functions recording is on. Same way, it is all are row level functions, right? Where condition we are applying. Same conditions we apply in the having also by using having also. For example, select. So what I want to display, which are the jobs? Each job having a number of records. Each job having a number of employees. Okay. By group by. What is the column we have to specify in the group by? Which column name? Which column name we have to specify in the group by? Yesterday I told group by if you are using one mandatory, you have to remind something. What is that? Here nothing, only column. Which column name we have to use? Can we able to use cell here? What is error it's throwing?
Apply number
No, that is alias, that is not okay. This is alias, that is not okay. It is showing clearly star indicating. What is that star? It is showing error. It is showing and the star it kept up. Where it kept a star? Which column? Hmm? Why we have to keep a job there? Why we can't use cell? While explaining a group by clause, I told first point is that one. If you are using a group by clause, which are the columns except aggregate function, which are the columns you are specifying in the select statement, you are using all columns you have to specify here. Here I am using a job, but group by I am giving a salary. If not, understand. Syntax is wrong. Okay. Same column name we have to use it. Same column name, which is you are specifying here, same column name we have to use it. That is the first point. How many columns are not a matter. Here, what are how many columns we are using? All columns we have to use in the group by clause, except aggregate function. Okay. This is not a matter. Here, this is alias name we are saying for all. Derived column, alias name, column name we are giving. Suppose if we are giving like this, what is happening? Count star it is given. It is a meaningless. So meaning column name you have to give. What is meaning column name? Apply from okay, alias name given. If I am giving there, then where it will come? Instead of constant, it will come. This is the alias name we are saying. That is a column level alias name. Same way we will use the table alias names also. Okay. Job, that is the if you are using job, you have to specify job here. If you are using salary here, you have to specify. If you are using a employee number and job, then you have to specify here employee number and job. Okay. Then having found count star greater than 2. Okay. Filter condition we can give in the where condition, that is row level. It is a we can use in the having also. Okay, count greater than 2. Now, which are the 1, 2, 3, 4, it is there, but you gave the count is greater than 2, then it is displaying 3, 4. Okay, same way, if you are using a greater than or equal to 2, then 2 also will come. Okay, suppose if you are using here less than or equal to 1 and 2, it will come. Same way, here if you are using less than, then only 1 it will come. Okay, for duplicate records, what we will give greater than. Identify the group duplicate records, we have to use greater than 1, and here we have to specify unique records. What are the unique records here? Employee number is the unique record. Same way, e-name also unique record. Okay, not a job. Okay, but you can specify what are the things you are specifying there here also. Okay. Job. All three we are specifying here, so all three you have to specify in the group. So, yeah, by if you are using this, so there is no duplicate records, but we can find duplicate records where the student table only. Enter students, student, but there is no yesterday ID. Yesterday ID. Name. There. Yes, same we have to do. PM store ID. Yeah. So we do yesterday ID. It is not yesterday ID. Yesterday ID. It was scam. Right? Hey, yesterday we inserted, right? Yeah. Oh, no records are showing here. Another thing also, I'm saying. Same comments. Transaction control language. Okay. Okay. Operators, it's done. Okay. This is 4 hours it is showing.
స్టార్టింగ్ లో అవర్స్ కూడా ఇచ్చాను కదా.
But it is not taking. Let's see if we are taking like this.